Move the hand upward and backward from a horizontal position to indicate the direction of the tail movement. Point the other hand toward the center of the spotter. The signal must remain in full view of the pilot. Pag ito yung pagka-turns, magsisignal yung martial art. Pag right hand, the turn na pa-right. Pag left hand, turn na pa-left. Next slide. Move right. Yung helicopter, pwede kasi mag-turn ng parang tayo, pwede siya mag-slide pa kanan, slide pa left. So extend arm, pag sinabi move right, same head, same na nakaharap na, pero pumusod lang ng body pa right. Yan ang signal na move right, right hand pataas. Extend arm, horizontal to the side of the direction of movement. Next slide. Move left, yung left-handed. So ganyan ang ginagawa ng martial para mag-move left. Next slide. Pag medyo malayo pa yung helicopters, pwede mo pa sila forward using this action. Arm slide away from the side, palms to the rear, repeatedly move upward and backward. Ganyan yung signal niya. Ganyan. Para it means na papalapitin pa yung helicopter. Next slide. Move rearward. Sa baba naman naka-place. Sweep arms forward and upward and level with shoulder. Yan. Means lumayo. Layo naman. Next. Stop. Cross arms above the head. Palms forward. Yan ang meaning stop. Para sakto na yung location. Next. Pag gusto pataasan yung helicopter, extend the arms horizontally to the sides. Beckon upwards, palms up. Mid-akyat ng konti. Next. Downwards. Balik naman. Extend the arms horizontally to the sides. Beckon downward, palms down. Pababa. Next slide. Land. Extend the crossed arms downward in front of the body. Yan ang land. Next slide. Either arm level with the shoulder palm down, draw the extended hand across the neck in the road cutting motion. It means cut engine or shutdown. Yan ang action, shutdown. Parang tayo. Next slide. Depart. Pag papalisin na, make an overhead circular motion with the right hand, ending it with a throwing motion in the direction of the lift off. Paikot, tapos saan mo siya papunta.